Welcome back to What's Up Oxford. So last week we had Minister Vic Fedeli come to Woodstock and actually announced a $93 million boost to Oxford County manufacturing. So here are some of the highlights from the press conference.
A couple of quick facts for you. In January, the Bureau of Labor Statistics in the U.S. announced their job numbers for the year 2023. And it was then revealed that Ontario created more manufacturing jobs in 2023 than all 50 U.S. states combined. That's what's happening. That's the power of what's happening in Ontario. That's the power of what's happening right here to see your 18th expansion in 36 years. I mean, who does that? Who does that? Ontario companies. Proud Ontario companies like Vutech, who have generated nearly $100 billion in revenue in Ontario. These are supporting really good paying jobs for, quite frankly, tens of thousands of hardworking men and women right across Ontario. And we're proud to support these programs with over $160 million in new funding from our regional development program. So today, again, to our hosts, Ezio and others from Vutech, as well as there are other companies here that will be visiting throughout the day who are also making similar expansions such as Vutech. And it's Transmit Steel, Armtech, and MTO Metal Products. We thank them for choosing to invest and grow here in Ontario. There'll be more details of their announcements in a moment. But I'm now going to be honored to pass the floor over to MPP Ernie Hardeman to speak more about Vutech and those other exciting announcements that we're making here in Oxford today.
Today, in their history of manufacturing excellence, Vutech will continue through an investment to close the $40 million to expand their auto part facility in Woodstock and install the advanced manufacturing sector. So that's $40 million that we will be spending here. In addition, that's right, that's what's an applause for the company. In addition, allowing Vutech to reach new markets, this investment will strengthen our province supply chain and create 145 new local jobs. We're also excited to announce investments from 3 other local manufacturers in Oxford County, which alongside Vutech's investment represents an incredible $93 million to expanding local manufacturing capacity and will create 187 new good-paying jobs in our region. They include Transmetal Steel, who are investing more than $23 million to adopt a state-of-the-art technology at their manufacturing facilities in Woodstock and creating 17 new jobs. Armtech is investing over $27 million to construct a new manufacturing facility in Tillsonburg, creating 9 new jobs. And MTO Metal Products, a manufacturer of custom metal parts for a wide range of sectors, has invested $2.5 million in advanced manufacturing equipment to boost productivity capacity at their Woodstock-based company in creating 16 new jobs. These investments in Oxford County from our local manufacturers continue to support the thousands of good-paying jobs in our community and in our province, as the Minister mentioned. I want to thank you again and look forward to continue working with all of you in supporting your success. Thank you very much for being here today, and thank you very much for all the industrials who make this all happen.
That's all we have for today. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.